Welcome back, explorers! Today, we embark on a breathtaking journey through Utah. A land of contrast where nature's artistry is on grand display. From the majestic peaks of Zion National Park to the mystical spires of Bryce Canyon and the unique arches of Arches National Park to the vast wilderness of Canyonlands, Utah invites you on an adventure through the natural wonders of the American West. Let's discover the top 10 destinations in this remarkable state. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Utah, where adventure meets the spirit. Zion National Park. Immerse yourself in the towering cliffs of Zion National Park, a sanctuary of natural wonders. Trek through the Narrows, where walls of red rock encase shimmering waters. Ascend to Angel's Landing, offering panoramic views of the valley below. Observe the diverse ecosystem, from riverbanks to high plateaus. Connect with the wilderness, a park that calls to the adventurer's soul. Bryce Canyon National Park. Step into a fairy tale landscape at Bryce Canyon National Park, home to natural amphitheaters and spires. Stroll along the rim trail, capturing the full splendor of the hoodoos. Witness the play of light at sunrise and sunset, transforming the stone into hues of orange and pink. Explore the silent majesty of the night sky, a haven for stargazers. Connect with the magic of the earth, a park that enchants and mesmerizes. Arches National Park. Discover the natural sculptures of Arches National Park, a landscape of contrasting colors and formations. Wander among over 2,000 natural stone arches, including the famed Delicate Arch. Feel the ancient earth beneath your feet, walking trails that lead to awe-inspiring vistas. Marvel at the endurance of nature, sculpted by time and elements. Connect with the artistry of the natural world, a park that inspires wonder and awe. Canyonlands National Park. Explore the vast expanses of Canyonlands National Park, where the Colorado River carves through the heart of the desert. Venture into Island in the Sky, a mesa with breathtaking panoramas of the canyons below. Descend into the depths of the Needles, where sandstone spires tower above. Embrace the solitude of the remote maze, a testament to nature's majesty. Connect with the raw power of the earth, a park that challenges and awes. Capitol Reef National Park. Journey through the hidden treasure of Capitol Reef National Park, a landscape of cliffs, canyons, and domes. Traverse the Water Pocket Fold, a geological marvel stretching across the desert. Uncover petroglyphs etched by ancient civilizations, whispering stories of the past. Harvest fresh fruit in the historic orchards, a sweet reminder of human connection to the land. Connect with the layers of history, a park that bridges time and cultures. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Salt Lake City. Immerse yourself in Salt Lake City, a metropolis framed by mountains and the gleaming Great Salt Lake. Explore the historic Temple Square, heart of the city's rich cultural tapestry. Delight in the vibrant art scene, from galleries to live music and theater. Savor the diverse culinary landscape, a fusion of tradition and innovation. Connect with the community spirit, a city that welcomes with open arms. Park City. Escape to Park City, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and cultural aficionados alike. Glide down world-class ski slopes, blanketed in powdery snow. Stroll along Main Street, lined with quaint shops and gourmet eateries. Dive into the history of the silver mining town, now a beacon for film and art. Connect with the charm of the mountains, a town that celebrates life's pleasures. Moab. Venture into Moab, the gateway to natural wonders and thrilling adventures. Tackle the rugged trails of the backcountry on foot or by bike. Raft down the mighty Colorado River, surrounded by towering cliffs. Discover the prehistoric world through petroglyphs and dinosaur tracks. Connect with the spirit of adventure, a town that thrills and delights. Monument Valley. Be awed by Monument Valley, where earth meets sky in a dramatic display of nature's artistry. Navigate the winding roads among towering buttes and mesas. Feel the vast silence of the desert, a landscape steeped in Navajo history and culture. Capture the iconic vistas, immortalized in film and photography. Connect with the heart of the West, a valley that resonates with timeless beauty. Great Salt Lake. Witness the serene beauty of the Great Salt Lake, an oasis in the desert landscape. Float effortlessly in the buoyant saline waters, a unique natural phenomenon. Explore the shoreline's delicate ecosystem, home to millions of migratory birds. Watch the sunset paint the sky and water in vibrant colors. Connect with the tranquility of nature, a lake that soothes and inspires. Utah beckons with its array of natural wonders and cultural treasures. From the awe-inspiring landscapes of its national parks to the welcoming streets of its vibrant cities. From the silent deserts to the bustling resorts. Utah offers a journey of exploration and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this magnificent exploration of Utah's splendors. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.